We got little dude, man. We got little dude coming right at us. Yeah.
I'll be damned.
Look at this dude, man. This is cool as shit.
Yeah, you ain't the only one getting high this morning, motherfucker.
Fucking right.
He coming right by.
This is cool, man.
That was Dan.
Yeah, see, we're above the clouds.
You seeing this?
Yeah.
What's up?
This is awesome, man. Everybody's up there enjoying life.
Look at that.
We're up here flicking an antenna. Yeah, dude. That is awesome.
Yeah, that dude.
Dude, it's freaking cool, man.
Oh, that's badass.
One of those things.
That is. I wonder how much they cost. Oh, dude, look at that, man. Freaking hauling ass.
That shit.
Whoa.
It's getting tricky. Don't run into it. Oh yeah, we don't want to bury your ass, dude.
This is fucking cool. Yeah, man.
Somebody got a good 20-gallon tank.
He just rocking, dude.
Fucking nuts.
That's awesome, man. He's coming back for some more.
You having fun now, boy. What Gabe say?
No problem, man. You see this glider? I'm gonna get a picture of next info. Yeah, we're way.
You getting video too, Red?
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, they're getting some good pictures.
I got a good video of it.
Yeah, I got a video.
Alright, we got fucking Paul.
Got worried about him flying into the damn tower.
That was close, man. He almost had a close call.
Same here, man. He's 15, 20 foot from us.
Heck yeah. Alright, well that concludes it.
That old man got some balls, boy.
Yeah, I guess we're going